Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the battery level of the left and right earbuds are different. And you have to start by open the application and check if you have the last version of your earbuds. Now, if you haven't it, just install the new one and check maybe it changed. If it didn't help you, we should perform a hard reset, so put your earbuds to the charging case, open the case and then press and hold this connectional button for at least 10 seconds until you will see slow free flashes here. Here we go, now you can release your finger and we should remove it from your phone and edit. It automatically entered to pairing mode, so we can easily edit. If it also didn't help you, I recommend it to fully charge your earbuds and then check after that. That's it, thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!